Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus MariKar. We'll explore the core functionalities of Microsoft Excel, a widely used spreadsheet application, and then delve into what MariKar might offer as an alternative. Our goal is to help you understand which tool could be a better fit for your specific data management and analysis tasks, considering factors like ease of use and advanced features. Excel stands out for its incredible versatility and widespread adoption. It's a go-to for everything from simple lists to complex financial models, offering thousands of functions and robust charting tools. Its familiar grid-based interface makes it accessible for beginners, while advanced users can leverage features like VBA for automation. Plus, its integration with the Microsoft ecosystem is a huge benefit for many organizations. Now, let's consider MariKar, which could represent a more specialized or modern data solution. Such tools often excel in areas like handling massive datasets, potentially offering superior performance for millions of rows. They might also provide more intuitive dashboards, real-time collaboration features, or specialized analytical models tailored for specific industries, surpassing Excel's general-purpose approach in certain niches. Deciding between Excel and a tool like MariKar depends entirely on your specific requirements. If you need broad functionality, ease of use, and strong integration within the Microsoft ecosystem, Excel is often the clear winner. However, for very large datasets, highly specialized analytics, or advanced collaboration needs, a dedicated solution like MariKar might offer a more powerful and efficient experience. Choose the tool that best aligns with your project goals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.